Northland, engines don't get a vacation. They get hibernation. And if you've ever stored your sled for the off season, you've probably heard someone say, you gotta fog it or you're gonna wreck it. Is this true or just old school garage talk? Let's find out. Back in the day, marine and snowmobile techs figured out that moisture sitting inside an engine could cause damages. So they started using fogging oil to protect engines through the off season. It worked and it stuck. Brands like Stable and Seafoam jumped on it, and soon fogging was a standard part of winterizing engines. Now, some folks say you don't need it anymore, that modern engines are sealed, or that it's overkill. But here's the truth. If you're storing your sled long term in a damp, cold garage, or maybe on a trailer, or maybe on a pallet in the backyard with a tarp covering the sled, fogging oil is a great idea. But if you're only storing your sled in a climate-controlled garage, where the temperature is regulated and moisture is not an issue, probably not necessary. Today, we're going to be working on this mint 1998 Arctic Cat ZR 440 Snow Pro. This sled is going into extended storage and does not get used a whole lot, so fogging is a great option. Okay, let's get into it. First, we are going to open the hood on this snowmobile and find the airbox. We are going to remove the airbox so that we can have direct access to the carburetors. Next, we are going to start the engine and spray the fogging oil directly into the carburetors with the engine running. Spray the fogging oil into the carburetors for no more than 10 seconds. After fogging oil has been sprayed into the running engine, we are going to remove the spark plugs and spray fogging oil into each cylinder. Turn the engine over to distribute the fogging oil evenly in the cylinders. Is this all mandatory? No. But is it smart? Up here where winter hits hard and sleds sit cool for months, yeah, it's definitely worth it. So the next time someone says fogging oil is just a myth, tell them Paul Bunyan says otherwise.